Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, delivered a timeless lesson that resonates through generations. Whoever believes in Allah and the Last Day, let him speak good or remain silent. These words, simple in their construction, carry a weight of profound wisdom that transcends time and culture. They serve as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards understanding when speech is necessary and when the power of silence prevails. In a world inundated with noise, where the ceaseless chatter of voices drowns out the tranquility of introspection, silence emerges as a sanctuary, a teacher, and a protector. Within the teachings of Islam lie moments where silence speaks louder than words. These moments, deeply ingrained in the fabric of spiritual practice, offer profound insights into the essence of being and the nature of existence. They serve as opportunities for reflection, growth, and enlightenment. As we navigate the complexities of life, it is imperative to heed the wisdom of silence and recognize its transformative power. When listening becomes an act of worship. In Islam, listening is not merely the act of hearing, but a form of worship in itself. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, extolled the virtues of active listening, emphasizing its role in building strong connections and fostering empathy and understanding. By listening attentively to others, we demonstrate respect, compassion, and a willingness to learn. In a world rife with discord and misunderstanding, the art of listening serves as a bridge of communication, uniting hearts and minds across divides of language, culture, and belief. Through the gift of silence, we create space for others to be heard, valued, and understood, nurturing bonds of friendship and goodwill that transcend the limitations of speech. When words could inflict harm, Islam places great emphasis on the power of words to heal or harm. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised his followers to speak good or remain silent, recognizing the profound impact of speech on relationships and souls. In moments of frustration or anger, choosing silence over hurtful words demonstrates wisdom, restraint, and a commitment to kindness and empathy. By refraining from words that may cause pain or damage, we preserve the dignity and honor of both ourselves and others, fostering an environment of mutual respect and understanding. When tempted by gossip and backbiting are condemned in Islam, as they not only tarnish the reputation of others, but also corrode the moral fiber of society. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, admonished his followers to refrain from engaging in idle talk and instead focus on uplifting and constructive discourse. By choosing silence over gossip, we exercise self-discipline, uphold the values of honesty and integrity, and contribute to the creation of a positive and supportive community. In the absence of gossip, the space is filled with respect, empathy, and understanding, fostering bonds of trust and camaraderie that strengthen the fabric of society. During sacred moments, Islam offers numerous opportunities for spiritual contemplation and connection with the divine. From daily prayers to recitation of the Quran, these sacred moments serve as a respite from the chaos of the world, allowing believers to commune with Allah in silence and reverence. In the hallowed halls of mosques or the quiet solitude of personal prayer, silence becomes a conduit for divine presence, enveloping the worshipper in a sense of peace and tranquility. By embracing silence during these sacred moments, we deepen our spiritual connection, reaffirm our faith, and draw closer to the source of all existence. In moments of reflection and contemplation, silence holds a special place in Islam as a catalyst for spiritual growth and self-discovery. In moments of quiet introspection, free from the distractions of the world, we are afforded the opportunity to delve deep into the recesses of our souls and commune with the divine. Whether in solitary meditation or communal worship, silence becomes a conduit for divine revelation, guiding us on the path towards enlightenment and self-realization. By embracing silence as a companion on our spiritual journey, we cultivate a sense of inner peace, clarity, and purpose, allowing us to navigate the complexities of life with grace and equanimity. When anger arises, Islam emphasizes the importance of mastering one's temper, particularly in moments of anger. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught that controlling anger is not merely an act of suppression, but a demonstration of inner strength and spiritual maturity. By choosing silence when anger flares, we exercise restraint, cultivate patience, and avoid the potential harm that hasty words may inflict. In the stillness of silence, we find solace, allowing us to reflect on the consequences of our actions and align our behavior with the teachings of compassion and forgiveness. When knowledge is lacking, in Islam, the pursuit of knowledge is revered as an act of worship. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the obligation of seeking knowledge upon every Muslim, highlighting the importance of understanding and truth. Yet, in a world teeming with misinformation and half-truths, the value of humility in acknowledging one's lack of knowledge cannot be overstated. By embracing the humility of saying, "I don't know," we open ourselves to the vastness of learning and growth. This admission of ignorance serves as a gateway to enlightenment, fostering a spirit of curiosity and inquiry that propels us towards deeper understanding and wisdom. In conclusion, the practice of silence in Islam transcends mere absence of sound. It is a profound tool for spiritual transformation and enlightenment. In moments of anger, ignorance, temptation, or contemplation, silence serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards inner peace, self-discovery, and communion with the divine. As we navigate the complexities of life, may we heed the wisdom of silence and embrace its transformative power, allowing it to shape our words, actions, and ultimately, our destinies.